Everyone, I welcome all the new students of MEd, BEd, and DLEd on behalf of the management, CPSM College, its staff, and all members of CPSM. That all new students are welcome, and I thank you for choosing the CPSM College for your higher studies. Dear students, as already has been explained by our faculty, that CPSM is running three courses, MEd, BEd, and DLEd. And as we are having the seats of 200 in BEd, 50 in MEd, and 50 in DLEd. Dear students, like all these seats now almost filled in our college, and you should feel proud that our college is doing very well from last so many years. And you should feel pride that you have chosen the CPSM college as for your higher studies, and it is the most prominent and very reputed college in the complete NCR. Secondly, I have found that majority of you are quite mature enough, as almost all of you are graduate, postgraduate, some of you are BTech, MBA, MCA, even many of you are married. So I expect that with your experience, the institution will also learn a lot and will gain a bit in the form of like your performance, showing your discipline, your contribution in many other areas, so that we can improve further and gain heights and gain this thing in the area that our students can perform much better in academics, cultural, and sports activities. Now coming to the, certain your presumptions that education is very easy and take it very lightly in the form that there is no need to attend classes or attend certain internships, your particular micro teaching, mega lessons, and all. Generally, students they try to miss all these activities. But I would like to tell you that education in coming years is really a challenge, and you have felt it like during this COVID-19 that majority of teachers face a lot of problems to cope up with the technology. Now, in coming years, the technology will play the major part, and with the new education policy, it will be a challenge for teachers because maximum stress will be given on teacher education. And so that you have to update yourself and move with the technology plus the environment plus the policies of the government. As the classrooms are going to be high tech, the situation keep changing day to day, the curriculum will change, and because the future is in your hands, majority of you will be coming to the teaching line, so you have to take those challenges. So education is not that easy that it is just 9 to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, just classes, take few notes and read it out in the class. It involves many things. Firstly, the quality of education. If the teachers are well trained, then only they can provide the quality in education, which is important for the future generation of our country. Secondly, the positivity in the education. the education cannot be considered just transferring certain notes to the children, but the education means that you have better harmony with the students, with the parents, with your colleagues, with your staff, and keep changing your updates of knowledge with the time and the environment. So it is very important that you should take these courses seriously and put in your best effort to achieve your best goals. Now, coming to certain other aspects, firstly, related to the college, the discipline is the most important thing. That without discipline, you can't achieve anything. So I would request all of you that you should maintain the discipline. Discipline is in multiple forms, like attending classes regularly is part of your discipline. Coming in time to the college is part of your discipline. Then we have the uniform system in the college. So all students must be in the uniform when they come to the classes. Another thing is related to the all students will be issued I-cards. So the students should be in possession of the ID card all the time. And whenever it is asked for, they should produce the ID card. It's not be kept somewhere else. The further the aspect is that we have got a lot of internship, whether it is MEd, BEd and DLEd. So you must attend those internship or school experience programs, which will benefit you. Then we have in BEd micro teaching mega lessons, which is equally important. These are part of your training, and there are many events we conduct: cultural events, sports events, lectures. Even we have students development programs. So I expect that all of you should participate in those activities, which will give you confidence and make you better citizens, and it will develop the confidence in you for your future in life. That confidence plays the major role. Now, coming to your personal things, I consider that health is the most important thing. You must take care of your health. Health is in the form of your physical health and mental health. Physical health, as you have seen during the COVID-19 times, that it has played the major role. Those who had better health could survive and have less fear. Those with weak health were facing maximum fear of COVID-19. So health is important, for which you must do any kind of exercise, whether it is walking, running, cycling, swimming, yoga. There are multiple, dancing. You can do anything, but maintain your health. And with the health, you must have seen now that your mental health is also equally important for a teacher or in your career in any other profession. You have to upgrade your knowledge time to time. For that, you have to read a lot. You have to be aware about the environment. You should consider the future policies or the programs of the governments also. And academically also, you can do better if you are mentally strong. Then, along with it, you should do a little bit, like I say, give back to the society, help the people around you, in your streets, in your village, in your city, in your environment, wherever you are. Help out the people. That attitude should be there, and show your gratitude towards the people who are helping you or who have helped you. It looks like you are the achievers, but behind that, there are many people, your parents, your friends, your colleagues, your teachers. So always show gratitude to those people who have helped you or are going to help you. Now, coming to the college discipline, you must show respect to your teachers. As I have already mentioned, you are mature enough. You have already seen the college life, majority of you. So teacher plays the important role. So always be courteous to them and show your respect to them. Now, media and technology is playing the major role. Everybody is having smartphones, WhatsApp, Facebook, and all these. So kindly, I will advise you, use the media effectively to your advantage, not to keep involving yourself so much in WhatsApp and all that useless things you keep seeing and getting your mind spoiled. So I will advise you that you should use as minimum as possible, only for use it for the something better which can help you in your improvement or your development. Secondly, related to WhatsApp, we have developed all these WhatsApp groups for all the courses. Kindly maintain some decorum while using or communicating with the faculty or amongst yourself. These groups should be used only for official communication. Unwanted communication should be avoided. And the language, you must have some control on this. I am stressing on this that many students use such language which is not acceptable. So kindly avoid that kind of communication on WhatsApp, and particularly in the groups in which the faculty or staff is there. I am in all the groups and I'll keep watching these kind of activities, and such students are taken to task. These will not be tolerated that you can communicate on WhatsApp anything. Now coming to the important informations and all, these will be communicated to you through these WhatsApp groups from time to time, but you cannot take this, it is the responsibility of the college only. You should keep yourself updated with the information through your colleagues or directly approaching the websites of the university or the board. It is your own responsibility. You should be aware about the academic calendar of the college, about the schedules, about the activities which the college conducts from time to time, whether it is practicals, exams, or participation in another activity or related to your classes, any changes, you should be aware of it. And you should not pass on this that college has not intimated. College will do its own responsibility, but it is your own responsibility also that you should keep on checking such kind of thing. I expect that all of you will adhere to these certain instructions and do well. I welcome you again and wish you good luck for your future. All the best.